I'm Emma Davies and I've studied business management. Well, life has been a bit of a roller coaster. There are times, that it's been quite stressful, but the lecturers, my peers, my family and friends have all brought me through that and urged me onto the other side. The amount of knowledge that I've learnt through the 3 years, you can't replace that. It's phenomenal, and I don't think I could have gained that in a position elsewhere. I came to study through a previous job. I was a property manager for a private landlord. I loved the job I did, but knew I had something more to give, and I just wanted to get a qualification behind me to justify, pushing myself forward. So I gave up that job and came to be a student full-time. I was 36, single mother, and I've just loved every second, really. It's just been a phenomenal experience, and I would just highly recommend it to everybody. I'd like to say I wish I did it earlier, but I'm glad I did it now, really. So, yeah, it's full-time, and now back to work. Louise, our head tutor and the course director, let me know that there was a trip for level 5s to go and see a company called Western Solar, who build solar houses. And she said, as it was part of my dissertation, my subject was photovoltaic energy and homes of the future. She thought it would be really beneficial for me to go. So I went to meet Dr. Glenn Peters, who is the owner of the company. And whilst I was there, I asked if I could interview him for my dissertation. He was obviously happy to do that. So I went back, dictaphone in hand, question sheet, and was cheeky enough to ask how I would get a job with him at the end. And he offered me a position as project manager for Western Solar. It's going to start off as a temporary basis, just as an internship, see where we go, but we're going to go from there. And we're just about to start construction on 15 houses. So in the deep end, but I love it. And if it weren't for being here, I would never have met him. I would have never been cheeky enough to ask him for a job. And he's gracious enough to give me the opportunity to work in a sustainable company, building homes for people using solar energy. I couldn't think of anything better. That is just the dream, really.